Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through the Manor Park area. We are on Oliver Road, driving towards Constant Spring Road or driving towards Manor Park. Okay, on the right is the Emmanuel Christian School. I think it's the Emmanuel Christian Academy. But it's a very good prep school in Jamaica. Actually, we can just take a quick drive through. Now, most of the schools in Jamaica are associated with a church. So this school was built by the church. So same thing with Stella Maris that we just passed earlier. The official name is Emmanuel Christian Academy. Very good prep school. And then it's actually on the compound with Emmanuel Baptist Church. So right here you have the church, and then behind it you have the school. And this is a formula, or how would you say? This is just how most schools in Jamaica were started. They were started by churches. Alright, so we're going back out onto Oliver Road now and heading towards Manor Park. And most other, maybe not most, all of the top schools in Jamaica, they've been around for many years. I think a school like Woolmer's or Manning's, they have been around for over 100 years. And there is a debate as to which school is older, but it's definitely one of those schools. Woolmer's Boys School in Kingston and Manning's High School in Westmoreland. One of those two are the oldest schools in Jamaica. I think they had decided by some method, and Woolmer's Boys School is the oldest school in Jamaica. But they're both associated with churches. Okay, on the left now is the back gate to Immaculate Conception High School. And that is the #1 school in Jamaica. It's an all-girls school. It's associated with the Roman Catholic faith, and it has a convent over there, just like the other school. It doesn't have a church that's open to the public, but it's a top school in Jamaica, and every year they do a ranking according to the CSEC passes. So the school with the best passes will be ranked higher, and Immaculate is currently the #1 school. Another school that's always in the top 2 is Campion College, and that's also associated with a Roman Catholic school, a Roman Catholic church, sorry. So maybe these Roman Catholic institutions know how to run good schools. I think one of the reasons why they do so well is because they're very strict with discipline. And discipline in the schools can be a major problem sometimes. Alright, we're now at the intersection with Constant Spring Road. So this is the intersection of Oliver Road with Constant Spring Road. If we turn left, we take Constant Spring Road down to Halfway Tree. If we turn right, we take Constant Spring Road up to the Manor Park area, and that will lead us on to Stony Hill, or up Stony Hill. Straight ahead, that's Manor Center, and it's a mall, but not that popular. But it was very popular at once. It had a supermarket over there, it had a bank, but the bank moved and the supermarket closed down. And one thing you're going to know about Constant Spring Road, it has a lot of malls, a lot of plazas on it. It has more plazas. There are more plazas on Constant Spring Road than any other road in Jamaica. And there are more plazas in this area than any other plaza in Jamaica. There are also a lot of schools, a lot of prominent high schools. Okay, on the right is Discount Pharmacy. It's like an iconic landmark in Manor Park. Now on the right is the Manor Park Plaza. Very popular plaza. It's among probably the 10 most popular plazas in Jamaica. And when we say plazas in Jamaica, we mean shopping centers, we mean malls. People use the terms interchangeably. In the US, a mall is a different kind. When somebody says a mall, you think of an enclosed area that has AC, and you enter through one door and then you go to the different malls, the different stores. But in Jamaica, we call what other persons would call a plaza. Some of them are also called malls. So the stores are set up just like that one we passed there in Manor Park. You enter from the outside. You don't have like a building you enter through like a mall. But they still refer to that kind of setup, which would normally be a plaza. It's referred to in Jamaica also as a mall. So if somebody says we're going to ABC Mall, don't expect that you're going into a mall like what you would see in America. Alright, we're now on Stony Hill Road. If we had turned left, that would take us to Stillwell. And Stillwell is a very prominent residential area in Jamaica. It's probably among the top residential area or top neighborhoods in Jamaica. It has been overcast in Jamaica for the last week, so that's why the video doesn't look very sunny and bright, but we have no idea when this weather is going to change, so we just have to make videos in this weather. Okay, this intersection now, if we went left, we would go on to Old Stony Hill Road, and if we go right, we stay on Stony Hill Road. So we're going to stay on Stony Hill Road. This intersection was recently upgraded or renovated. This wall was put in and the intersection widened so that you can get 3 lanes. The government is actually doing a very good job in renovating these roads or fixing up these roads. They have started with the main roads, and they're doing a very good job in the Kingston and St. Andrew area. The other day we drove on a road to St. Thomas, and boy, that was an experience. I'm going to put a link to the video below. Now that road, I don't think the government has reached over there. Well, I shouldn't say that, but that road needs some urgent attention. Let's put it that way. Urgent attention. Alright, so on the left, if we go straight, we would take Stony Hill all the way up to Stony Hill Square. And if you turn left here, you're going to go into Orange Grove, which is another one of the top 10 neighborhoods in Jamaica. And we're not going to drive through there today, but there we have lots of videos up at the Orange Grove and the Stillwell neighborhood, so you can take a look at them to see why they're among the top neighborhoods in Jamaica. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.